My name is Chan Park. I'm interior architect. I work for Q4 e-tron. And then finally, I'm really happy to see my project, which I heavily working on last years as a designer. Interior design-wise, we really try to make it always like Audi's most important catchphrase, less is more. The form-follow function, how to make it simplified with a new technique and how we implement modern technique and future technology inside of the car. The driver is the master of the car, which means the general design should be harmonized with the driver, and all the general layout should be kind of part of the important invitation for the drivers. Our center screen, touch screen, is the biggest screen Audi ever made. And then the middle console, we try to make it more lighter compared to the conventional, traditional combustion cars. We try to bring more production feeling of the gear shifter, which we call it really nice jewelry in the car. So people can utilize this space as a nice connectivity module with a mobile phone and their private digital gadget. The steering wheel is the most important interface part of the car for the driver, especially for the Audi. Audi always driver-focused, driver-oriented layout. Rather than just like a click button, physical button, we delivered like a touch feeling with a lighting behind. So it is more futuristic and more modern way, especially for electric car. You can experience the new approach of the storage of the bottle and new layout of some interface part on the door armrest. The air vent is kind of most important like environment issue from the outside to the car to bring more like well-being emotion to the people. So that's why such a nice interior design, and we cannot ignore our air vent design. So that's why we try to make it as slim as possible. Good design speaks by itself. We don't need to add on any explanation. Just like when people open the door, wow, this is a new architecture. This is a new space for the electric car. So this kind of just wow effect should be our biggest goal for this Q4 e-tron.